While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Jerry. We out here about to check out BM Nectar featuring Jay Park. I already know these two guys put them together. Lord, it's trouble, man. Y'all got me all prepared, looking like I'm going back to Miami, like I'm about to go to the club and shit. Man, I'm ready for my body rolls, bro. Hey, man, you ready? You're not ready. Be sure to check out my Patreon if you haven't already. Been uploading some stuff there. Thank you for so much of the support over there. Appreciate you. Become a free member. Also become a subscriber. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. I don't even know. I don't even know what to expect. I mean, I know it's BM, so it's gonna be on some like adult K-pop shit. Bow. Oh, in my face. Oh, okay. We got the fingers, the heart pumping, got the blood flowing. Going to the club? Get it. Bring them vocals in, Hey, where we going? Whoa. Hey. Okay. Let's go, BM. You saw him with that body roll. Hold up, let me see that. You see that? That low-key body roll right there, like that's my go-to right there. You already know. Wait, is there one with like captions? Let me double check actually. Okay, they made a separate like lyric video too, so might have to check it out on stream sometime on Twitch. But all right, let's continue, shall we? Hit it with the low-key body roll. Ooh. You better tell him. Hey. Whoa. We could get lost in the city. Lost in the city. Like them other little biddies. She the one, not one or too many. Hop out of the red. Hey. Okay, let's go, BM. Ooh, like, okay. Made it for the bad girl, for the bad girl them. Woo. Hey, okay. Jay Park. What we doing? Ooh wee. Wait. Got you saying ooh wee. Ooh wee. Hey. Hey. Let's go. Talk your shit, Jay. Let's go. Okay, Jay Park coming through. Hey. Damn, it got me dancing. It's the beat, y'all. Got me moving my feet like. Woo. Get it. Hey, he's taking it off. It's your boy JRE on a no soft. Always on hard. Whoa. Okay, let's not talk about that. Exclusive. Okay. Boss shit. Okay, damn. I actually wanted more. Damn, BM coming through with a nectar. However you want to say it. That shit got me dancing. Got me feeling like I'm back in Miami, 305 Dade County. You know what I'm saying? Give me one taste of your nectar. Hey, 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 hey. You okay, Taman? He just here for the money. You know, I pay him on a daily. He has a salary to stand in. Nah, BM came in through with this one. Now I can't wait to hear his EP. I already got some recommendations from my Discord. Woo! Hey, yo. You went back. What you know about it? What you know about it? What you know about the... And Jay Park's part? It's like a little icing on top of this song, bro. Ooh wee. Hey. Woo. Nope. Ready for the ride. It's your boy JRE on the beat. Keep on going like sweet with my feet, and I keep on going, never to stop. Everybody going pop and lock. You keep on pouring that nectar in my mouth. Pause. Everybody say, oh my God. What we trying to do? Remix. Okay. Put a comments down below what you guys think of BM's Nectar featuring Jay Park. It got spicy up in here, right, Taman? He's just here. I have him on a salary, you know what I'm saying? I pay him really good, feed him all his way. He got health care, he got insurance. You already know. It's hot in here. I need a change. I'm sweating. But big up BM and Jay Park here. You gotta get the people dancing. You already know. And Nectar is definitely one of those. I can't wait to hear the EP, see what's all about. I'll probably check it out on Twitch sometime. I'll go on Twitch today, actually, at 6 p.m. PST. If you guys want to check it out, come through. I might be checking out BM's EP. And, yeah. It's your boy, JRE, from JRE Camo. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Patreon, y'all. Go check it out. Join the Discord. All right, y'all. Peace.